Today's topic which we are going to discuss is about virtual LAN. The term virtual, it means it replicates something. It is not original, but it is replicating something. Okay, the same is with your virtual LAN. You all know that for what purpose your LAN is used. Okay, assume that you have a very big organization which has n number of hosts, which has nearly 1,000 hosts. Okay, 1,000 systems you have, and each system will be of different purpose. Okay, assume you have 200 systems for your lab purpose, 200 for management, okay, and another 100 for security, or your office staffs will be using. So each has different purpose. Okay, each LAN have different purpose, each host will have different purpose. So to avoid traffic, okay, to avoid security issues, for easy maintenance, what we'll do is we'll be having a separate switch for each and everything. Okay, assume that you have two switch as given in the diagram. Okay, so assume that orange switches all belongs to any only one kind of services they do. For example, your lab people, okay, and your green stands for your management people who are using that host or that system, and your 30 is used by some admin, okay, some your network admins for security purpose. So each VLAN will have some purpose. So what we do is, instead of giving a separate switch to everyone, what we'll do is we'll from in a single switch itself, we'll give them separate ports for them in a single switch. Okay, for example, the switch 1 which is in the diagram, okay, this switch 1, VLAN 10 is connected. Similarly, VLAN 20 is connected, VLAN 30 is connected. Okay, so this is a group of systems which does the same service, or which has the same use. Similarly, VLAN 2 is a group of system with the same use, and VLAN 13 is a group of system with the same use. Okay, so what we do is we connect it in a single switch instead of giving them multiple switch. And here the connection between one VLAN is broadcast. Okay, in your VLAN 10 you can give a broadcast signal. Okay, similarly in your VLAN 20 you can give a broadcast signal, and VLAN 30 also you can give a broadcast signal, but there is no connection between VLAN 10, 20 and 30. Okay, and similarly a system will not know to which VLAN it is connected. Okay, so VLAN 10 is a group, it can broadcast within itself, it cannot contact VLAN 20 or VLAN 30. In case if you want to contact to the other VLANs, what it will do is we have something called as trunk port. Okay, so this trunk port, what it will do is it will take the traffic of all these VLANs and it will connect it to the approximate VLAN. If VLAN 10 wants to contact VLAN 30, it will first go to the trunk port, and from trunk port it will go to VLAN 30. Okay, so that is the purpose of this trunk port. So the VLAN is nothing but a logical patterning of your layer 2 network. Layer 2 network is your data link network. Multiple VLAN can coexist, and as I said before, every VLAN is a broadcast network and it is mutually isolated. Okay, and the other host grouped within a VLAN are unaware of the VLAN's existence. Okay, they will not be knowing. Next, what are the advantages of VLAN? Since we have only a single switch and it serves the purpose of all the multiple switch, we have a better performance, a shrink broadcast domains, cost reduction, security, improved IT staff efficiency, and simpler project and application manager can be used because we don't have n number of switches in this case. Okay, then let's discuss about the types of VLAN. These are the types of VLANs. Okay, data VLAN, default VLAN, native VLAN, management VLAN, and voice VLAN. Okay, your data and voice VLAN take care of only the data types or your voice types. Okay, your management VLAN will take care of your management things. Next is your native VLAN. Native VLAN is nothing but your trunk port. Okay, native VLAN is nothing but your VLAN on your trunk port. Next you have default VLAN. Any VLAN will have default ports. Okay, when a new network is connecting to that, it will be assigned to these default. So these are your types of your VLANs.